So finally, on one Friday night, I caught my night bus from Coimbatore and reached early morning to the Pondicherry. Pondicherry was always on my list when I was waiting when to land out there. So my bus was like 10:30 p.m. from Coimbatore, and then morning I reached to Pondicherry, and from there and hired a cab and reached to the place where I booked for the Serenity Beach Lane, and it's a beautiful place, just beside the beach. And morning I simply reached there and watched like fishermen's doing their daily course and walked to the place I booked with the Hermit Crab. It's a beautiful guest house. And so after checking in and getting freshened up, I went out to the beach and had a cup of a coffee and some French toast, and then hired a scooter of rupees 500 and decided to visit Mahabalipuram city, like which is 92 kilometers from Pondicherry, so it's approximately 2 hours drive. Mahabalipuram is an ancient city situated at the shores of Bay of Bengal and is famous for its rich historical culture, and you will see a lot of stone carvings all around the city. And this city is established by the Pallava kings and later on ruled by Cholas, and they were the great lover of architecture and art. And there is one famous temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, which I always wanted to visit. And there are beautiful, nice beaches around here where you can enjoy surfing and stroll around there. And this Shiva temple, which is like in the shape of a chariot, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Now it is being protected by the Tamil Nadu Archaeological Department, and it is also one of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So I just came down to look at the beautiful city. So now I will drive back to Pondicherry and explore there. So do come visit in this place. You like the ancient ruins of Mahabalipuram Shiva Temple. See you at Pondicherry. So by the evening 5, I got back to Pondicherry and decided to visit the famous White Town, the French colony. The most of the buildings are now converted to small cafes and restaurants. And if you are a lover of street photography, you will get a lot of good options here and beautiful pictures you can click. These are the very beautiful cafes. Especially I love the Hope's Cafe, which gives you vibes like hippie vibes. It's a beautiful place to spend some time in the evening and then move out, take a stroll in the silent and calm streets of White Town and enjoying your evening. And after that, I also wanted to visit one of the famous cafes, which is always on my list. Basically, it's a biker's cafe named Greasy Ten. And my first day of Pondicherry trip went well, and then I crashed night. And next day, I decided to visit Pichavaram. For that, I have made a separate video in detail. Pichavaram is located approximately 65 kilometers from main city Pondicherry, and it's the second largest mangrove forest of India. And you will enjoy a beautiful boat ride through the forest, and it will take you 2 hours drive from Pondicherry main city to visit this place and enjoy the beautiful flora and fauna at Pichavaram forest. So my last place of visit during this trip is the famous Auroville. For this, the whole Pondicherry is known for. It was established by Sri Aurobindo, and this is ashram is one of its own kind. And it is basically, you can say, it is like a country from where different peoples from different country, caste, color, creed, they can come and reside here with nature. And interesting part is that when it was established, it is said that sand from 165 countries and brought up here just as a symbol for that this ashram is basically don't belong to any particular country, it just belongs to humanity. So for this time I'll just make a visit, but if you really want to enjoy the Auroville, you must plan your stay here for at least few days. So probably next time when I'm lined up at Pondicherry, we plan to stay for some days in this Auroville, taking up some yoga program, and if there are many other programs also, and enjoy living with nature, learning to live with nature for a few days in this famous Auroville. That's all. So now here my this 2 days weekend Pondicherry trip comes to an end, and I took a night bus from Pondicherry to reach back to my place of work Coimbatore and get busy again with job work and wait for the next opportunity to travel and explore. So keep traveling and keep exploring, and if possible please like, comment, share and subscribe my this channel Web Trails, and thanks a lot.